already did that one. Okay, so you're gonna take this and spin in one direction with 2 hands, and then I'll tell you when to stop spinning. So keep spinning.
Good job, baby.
Is it too late for the second?
No, we have some lines going. If you want to hop in one of the lines, that's okay. Thank you for asking. Yeah.
You have to show it to Tia when you get back to school. She's gonna love it. So a few more spins.
Okay, well, then we need to go
Keep spinning.
You can put your finger right on top of the shape. So, and let go.
Would you like me to help you to do something for other people? Or is it okay?
Oh, we're okay, thank you. Yeah, we're pretty good when we have 2 people. If a third staff comes around and we need them, we'll let them know. But thank you.
I use my needle.
All right, so I'm gonna unhook this. You're gonna put your finger in the middle, and then let go. And now you have a yarn bracelet.
Purple and blue. You could do 2 colors.
Est-ce que Mathilde est en ligne avec nous? Elle est là? Ok, ok.
Thank you very